Imagine you're part of a team that has to roll out a new software update, but instead of waiting weeks or even months for everything to come together, you're able to release it in days or even hours. Sounds like magic, right? Well, that's the power of DevOps, a game-changing approach that's transforming the way companies develop, test, and deploy software. But what exactly is DevOps, and why should you care? Whether you're a beginner looking to break into tech or just curious about this buzzword you keep hearing, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down what DevOps is, why it's become such a hot topic in the software world, and how it can help teams create faster, more reliable software. DevOps is a combination of two words, development and operations. It's a cultural and professional movement that emphasizes collaboration between software developers and IT operations. The goal of DevOps is to shorten the software development lifecycle, increase the frequency of software releases, and improve the quality of the products delivered. Before DevOps, software development and IT operations teams often worked in divided work groups. Developers wrote code, and operations teams were responsible for deploying and maintaining the software. This separation often led to miscommunication, inefficiencies, and slower release cycles. DevOps was introduced to bridge these gaps, creating a more integrated and streamlined process that delivers software faster and more reliably. So, in simple terms, DevOps is all about breaking down the barriers between the teams responsible for developing software and those responsible for running it. The world of software development has changed dramatically in recent years. Traditional development methods, where new features and updates are rolled out every few months or even years, no longer meet the needs of businesses or consumers. Speed, flexibility, and constant updates are now essential to stay competitive. DevOps addresses these challenges by bringing together the people, processes, and tools that enable continuous collaboration and improvement. With DevOps, software development becomes a continuous process rather than a series of discrete, isolated events. This approach allows businesses to release updates quickly, respond to customer feedback in real time, and maintain high-quality standards all at once. For example, think about the frequent updates you get on your favorite apps or websites. Instead of waiting months for a major release, companies now push smaller updates regularly, fixing bugs and adding new features faster than ever before. This is made possible by the principles of DevOps. To fully understand DevOps, it is important to grasp its core principles. Here are 4 key principles. 1. Collaboration. As mentioned earlier, DevOps aims to break down the barriers between development and operations teams. The goal is for these teams to work together throughout the entire software development lifecycle. Developers and operations teams should share responsibility for both the development and deployment of software. 2. Automation. One of the key practices in DevOps is automation. DevOps encourages the automation of repetitive tasks like code integration, testing, and deployment. By automating these processes, teams can focus on more important work, like improving the product or innovating new features, rather than spending time on manual tasks. 3. Continuous integration and continuous delivery, CI/CD. Continuous integration, CI, and continuous delivery, CD, are 2 critical practices in DevOps. CI refers to the practice of merging all developers' code into a shared repository frequently, even multiple times a day. This allows teams to catch errors early in the development process. CD takes this a step further by automating the release of software to production, making it possible to release updates quickly and frequently. 4. Monitoring and feedback. DevOps also emphasizes the importance of continuous monitoring of software performance and gathering feedback from both users and internal teams. By monitoring how applications perform in real time, teams can quickly identify issues, resolve them, and even improve the system based on user feedback. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you've got any thoughts about DevOps so far, drop them in the comments below. Now that we understand the principles, let's take a look at how DevOps actually works in practice. DevOps is not a single tool or technology, but rather a combination of practices and tools that enable teams to achieve the principles outlined above. Here's an overview of the typical DevOps workflow. Plan. The first step in the DevOps process is planning. Teams use various tools to gather requirements, create user stories, and plan features that will be built. This phase emphasizes collaboration between development, operations, and business teams to ensure that the software aligns with the overall business objectives. Develop. In this phase, developers begin writing code. The main difference with traditional development is that developers now commit their code to shared repositories frequently, often multiple times a day. This is part of the continuous integration practice. The more frequently code is integrated, the less likely bugs will build up, and the faster the product will be developed. Build. Once the code is written, it's time to build the software. In the DevOps world, automated build tools are used to compile the code and ensure it's error-free. This process includes unit tests to ensure that each part of the code functions correctly. Test. Testing in DevOps is also automated. This includes automated unit testing, integration testing, and even end-to-end testing. By automating testing, teams can ensure that new features or updates don't break existing functionality, which is crucial for maintaining a reliable software product. Release. After the code has been tested and is ready to go live, it's deployed to production. In DevOps, the release process is automated using continuous delivery (CD) practices. This allows for faster and more reliable releases, often several times a day. In a traditional environment, releasing software could take days or weeks. With DevOps, it takes minutes. Deploy. Deploying the software to production involves releasing it to users. DevOps emphasizes continuous monitoring during this stage to track the application's performance and gather feedback. This helps identify any issues quickly and resolve them before they impact users. Operate. After the software is deployed, it's essential to monitor it to ensure it's running smoothly. This phase includes tracking system performance, gathering user feedback, and ensuring the application is performing as expected. Monitor. Continuous monitoring is a core component of DevOps. By using tools to track performance, uptime, and bugs, teams can identify potential problems early and respond faster. Monitoring tools can also help improve the software by providing insights into how users interact with the application. Adopting DevOps practices can have a profound impact on your organization. There are a wide variety of tools that help implement DevOps practices. Some of the most commonly used tools include: for version control, it includes Git, GitLab, and GitHub. For continuous integration, continuous delivery, it includes Jenkins, GitLab CI, and Circle CI. For configuration management, it includes Ansible, Puppet, and Chef. For monitoring, it includes Prometheus, Grafana, and New Relic. For collaboration and communication, it includes Mattermost, Slack, and Jira. DevOps is more than just a set of tools or practices. It's a cultural shift that helps teams work together more effectively, release software faster, and improve the quality of the products they build. Whether you're a developer, operations engineer, or business leader, embracing DevOps can give your team a competitive edge in today's fast-paced software development landscape. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with DevOps, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.